Alright, dear, what are we doing today?
We are going to do a muffler delete on my Ram 1500.
With the 5.7 Hemi. Yeah.
Make it sound more manly.
This is what she sounds like. Stock. It's a stock, so it's a 3-inch. One big 3-inch. Goes into a big ass muffler and breaks out into two 2.25. That's what sounds like at idle. Give her a little gas. Yeah, hear that. Hemi. All right, dear. My wife likes her Hemi. This damn truck's a 2016. We had an issue a while back with a broken exhaust bolts on both sides. I could fix that. And I drilled through one of the heads. That just turned into a shit show. Yeah. Long story short, put a new timing chain in it because we had to repair those heads. And the timing chain I put in it was crap. And that thing lasted 28,000 miles, dear?
Yeah. Did that, yeah.
Yeah. So we did that. The timing chain broke. That means we had to rebuild the fucking motor. That was fun. Mm-hmm. But now, exhaust tips time. Oh, I got to build a Y. There's some of the parts right there. That pipe I thought was 3-inch. I thought I had a piece of 3-inch, but I did it. That's 2.5. So she's gonna run and go get some 3-inch pipe. Okay. There she is. That's the muffler. Those are 2.25 inch pipes going out to the tips. Just swing around. I go through there, out that way. A couple of resonators on it down there, and that right there is a 3-inch going in. One big 3-inch, and it's got clamps on them. They're not welded. Factory clamps right there, right there, and right there. Loosen all those clamps, loosen the pipes, and she'll come out, which is kind of cool. Ain't got to cut it. All right.
What you got going on here, babe?
Now we're making a Y. Says adapt the 3-inch to 2.25. Yep, that's what we're doing. making a Y.
Good
And I
job.
bend these in the vise. Get the bend I need. And I just cut a little sliver here, fill that in. Then I can bend it without it snapping. Alright, I gotta cut a piece. Hit a Y.
Oh, my nice.
2 1/4, 2 1/4, 3 inch. Make sure it still fits this 3 inch. Oh, that goes that way. So, see how that's like that? Because I've been hammering on it. Okay, we're done doing the muffler delete, and we're gonna see how she sounds. There she is. That's the Y I built. Goes up into those pipes up there. 3 inch and ties right here. Well, that's it. Straight out the back. And there you go, dear. It's still recording. Take a video of the back, see if it's lined up.
Okay.
That'd be bad if it ain't.
Let's see.
More welding. Oh, you got them. Okay, you got them sticking out a little bit. All right.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I mean, that looks.
Now they're even. Good eye, dear. Good eye. Melissa lined these up in the back and I had to hold them. She had to do like, ah! Did a good job.
Think it looks good?
Yeah, it looks good. Actually stick out a little more. They were in more.
Yeah. Well, I figured that's okay.
No, that's
It was
fine.
harder to get them back in without hammering on them.
Hammer.
Oh,
She's welded.
no.
All right, let me turn the radio off.
All right, now we're going to see what it sounds like.
Yep, ready. like when you delete the muffler, leave the resonators. I like it. It's throaty, it's deep, it's not raspy. Let's see. Do you like it?
That's what I like. I like that deep sound.
Okay, let me go. Here, go back there. Go back there. There.